and I'm chasing glory. Mama say rest, I say later, surely. Sunrise eyes, but the grind still call me. Sweat on my...
Welcome to today's video, man. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make some money with Magic Car. First, you gotta download the video. You can find it on Play Store, on Apple Store. Then after that, you install it. Then you just click it. And after downloading it or after installing it, you're going to log in using your email account or your Google account. Then it's going to bring you here. Then after you arrive here, then you're gonna play the game. Okay, you're gonna play the game. And after that, after playing the game, you want to come to grand prize. So as you can see, I'm on level 96. Then I need to reach level 120 to receive 25 rand. Then after that, so on and so on, I have to reach 180 level to receive another 25 rand. So on and so on. As you can see, I have reached all the way up until 96 level. I have been receiving 25 rand. As you can see, as my balance right now is 27 rand because I was processing a withdrawal of $1.57. So as you process your withdrawal, you're going to arrive to this payment channel. For you to pass through this payment channel, you have to complete task. You have to complete you have to do a completion of a certificate. You have to receive at least one golden certificate. Then you need a number of 3 invited guests, like you need 3 referrals for you to pass and get a withdrawal. So you can also go to this, do the daily task. You can start here, online time, pass the time, pass the level. You can do all this task, then you will make it all the way to 100, where you can get the golden certificate. You get, if you don't want to invite a friend there, but it's another thing. So I'm going to do all of this daily task, and I'm going to get I'm also gonna get like referrals so that I can process the withdrawal. Then after processing the withdrawal, I'm gonna make sure that I put the screenshots after doing the daily task to show you. As you can see, I have been pushing this, so I'm only left with 1. Then I need to complete this one. Then after completing this one, I'm gonna process the withdrawal. And then here's the proof of withdrawals and things like that. $1.57 has arrived into your account, things like that. And yeah, man, basically this is how you do it. As simple as that. And then if you have enjoyed this type of video, man, make sure to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and so on. And then I'll catch you guys on the next video, man.